In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on Motorola Edge 70 Pro. So if you want to go to the safe mode, then first of all, we want to use the power button over here and the volume up button at the same time. To do so, if you do so, then you should be able to open this power menu. And then in here, you want to simply press and hold your finger on the power off option, and then it will show reboot to safe mode. So you want to press OK and just wait for the phone to restart. And there we go. Once it turns on, you will see here in the bottom left corner that we are in the safe mode. Now, if you want to exit the safe mode, you want to simply restart your phone. So of course we can use the same combination of buttons to open the power menu and then restart device. After that, you will be back into the normal mode, but keep in mind that after entering the safe mode, you have the airplane mode activated. So if you didn't turn it off after going back to the normal mode, you will still have it on. So remember to turn it off to have access to Wi-Fi or mobile data or Bluetooth and so on. Leave a like and subscribe.